How's it going, everybody? Let's get this show on the road. It's your life. Ha. Say you need a change there, baby. Hold on, I got stuff on my screen here. Let's start that again. I started a little prematurely anyway because I was trying to say hi to you guys, but all right, let's try again. It's your life. You say you need a change. Don't all the dreams we've seen come true mean anything? You say it's different now. You keep staring at the door. How can you walk away? Don't I matter anymore? If being free is worth what you leave behind, and if it's too late for love to change your mind, then it's goodbye time. If we had known our love would come to this, we could have saved our hearts the hurt of wasted years. Well, it's been fun. What else can I say? If the feeling's gone, words won't stop you anyway. If being free is worth what you leave behind, and if it's too late for love to change your mind, then it's goodbye time. Goodbye, baby. Goodbye. So we got through that one, but I have to check the sound again because I'm not sure if everything is legit to quit. What? Anyways, still waiting for Rob. Don't know what's happening. I'll get back to you as soon as possible, but we'll do something. We'll see you soon. Go pee. Shakira, Shakira. She's in the house.